dahil I am surrounded by people who I've admired and seen on screen and on film. What an honor to be nominated alongside these incredible actors. I am super overwhelmed. Okay, let me just read this. I would like to thank the people who have trusted this musical para dalhin dito po sa MMFF 50. At maraming salamat po MMFF for having us for your 50th year. Maraming sa musical in 2018 at 2019. Ed Lacson for directing it. Pepe Jocto, thank you Carlo Mendoza. Ang tatlong Maria ko, Aisel Santos, Naomi Gonzalez. Thank you to my mom for holding down the fort of Diativa nung nag-shoot kami. Sir Noel Ferrer for welcoming me to Team Noel with open arms. Nais ko pong magbigay-pugay sa mga nagsiganap na nimya na napanood ko. Gigi Dueñas, Kalila Aguilos, Isay Alvarez Senia.